Hi guys, welcome to Coffee with Nadia. Today I'm sharing my collection of mini beaded jewelry that my husband got from me in Ukraine, and my mother-in-law actually, like this piece right here was given to me by my mother-in-law, and a few more pieces. And I just thought they were so stunning and I wanted to share them with you guys. If you want to see, stay tuned. Alrighty, let's get started. So the first one I'm gonna show you is this one, and this is a piece my mother-in-law gave me, and I just think it's absolutely stunning. Look at the work on this necklace, and here is the back. So the back is all black, and the closure is beaded also. It's like a beaded knot with like, I don't know how many rows, but it's beautiful. And so here is the design that the necklace has. Here it is upside down. And on the inside, we have a leaf and berries. And the berries are being held by these golden mini beads right here. Isn't this a stunning, stunning piece? There you go. That is the first piece. I just thought it was so pretty and so traditional, so Ukrainian, and so this was a beautiful gift from my mother-in-law. The next piece is also from my mother-in-law, and it is also a very, it's lower, it's like right there. It would fall right there, but I just want to show you the detail. It has this beautiful square pattern or diamond pattern, and you can see the way it was finished in the back. And then the front, you have a poppy flower. Now, poppy flowers are big in Ukraine. You will see them on shirts, on many things. Because poppies used to grow, and last time I visited, I actually was in a poppy field, so I don't know if there's many around anymore. If there are, they're not supposed to be, I believe, because, you know, opium and all that stuff. But here you go. And these little dangles are finished off with some stones. Isn't that beautiful? I just thought this was such a pretty piece. I believe this is a poppy flower. It looks like a poppy flower, no? And so it's red and gold. Actually, it looks like it would be beautiful, like on a black dress for Christmas. So pretty, right? So the next three, I bought them for work because I just thought they were such statement pieces. Here's a black and white one, and this one goes down a little further. There you go, a little further right there, and I will show it to you up close. It is a cylindrical design. If you take a look, it's like it's all the way, you know, it's a circle all the way. It's a round circle all the way. Okay, and the beads are white, gray, and black, and it has the traditional Ukrainian kind of square design right there, and I just thought it was so beautiful. And same thing on the other side. It's just for work, it's just such a beautiful piece. Let me tell you, anytime I take any of these pieces out and wear them to a meeting or something, I always get compliments, and you know, someone will be like, Nadia, where'd you get that? Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Now this one is in the same kind of category, and it is white, black, but it is different. So it is different. Instead of just a cylindrical, you have cylindrical right here and right here. Here it's kind of like a braid. So you have this braided and then this braided, and it comes together right there, going into the cylindrical, and then you have just a loose beading in the middle. That's the middle right there. And then the cylindrical, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. I mean, lovely. And then another two kind of parting right here, braided, and then coming together. And it has a T-clasp for the closure for this one. All right, this next one is gonna be like the first one, the black and white one. But I just thought the green was so beautiful on here. It's, you know, very, I don't know, it's a light green, but it's very elegant. So it's green, yellow, and like a brownish kind of, like an iridescent brown color. So we have loose beading, we have cylindrical like we did before, then loose beading, more cylindrical, and it's just, look at that design. I just think it's so beautiful. And then, so where's the middle here? The middle here is this green right here. It just lays so nicely. Just such a beautiful piece. All right, the next three are long pieces. I don't know how I'm gonna show these. So starting with this one, these remind me, I mean, they're very traditional, but especially this one. Does this not look like American Indian kind of a necklace? Just the design of it. Okay, you know what? I think what I'm gonna do is, thank you for your service, ma'am. I'm gonna put her on the side, and you get to speak to me. Okay, so it's very kind of folk art kind of, you know, it's just when I saw it, and the colors are kind of like brown, ivory, yellow, and it just reminded me of American Indian kind of, you know, especially this part right here, you know, towards the bottom. It's just so beautiful. And you could wear them on white, you could wear them on brown. It's just, it's so pretty. Look at this intricate design on here. So lovely. Yeah, I love this piece. All right, so the next one I wear around Christmas, and just the same as the one that's previous. It's very, reminds me of American Indian jewelry. You know, the squares, the way this is right here, the dangles on the bottom. I just think it's so pretty. And it's very delicate. I mean, it's solidly beaded. Then it has a loose beading right here, loose beading right here, then another beautiful solid piece, and then the bottom is very loose, as you could tell. This is going towards along your neckline right here, and they don't scratch. I've never had issues where they scratched or anything like that, but this is just so beautiful. And my last piece is actually one of my favorites. I believe, yep, this was another mother-in-law gift. I'm loved by my mother-in-law, just saying. All right, so this one is the same type, but look at this. This is such a stunner. When I wear it against black, the orange just pops out. So I wear it around this season. I mean, it's orangey, and look at this rose. Just look at this beautiful rose. And of course the design is exactly the same on the other side, because we're talking about beads here. Oh, things stuck on there. But we have loose beading right here, right after the design. Then solid beading again, and it's roses. So that this kind of falls really on my neckline. Oh yeah, did I twist it? I think I twisted it right here. So right here on my neckline is just so pretty. Let me take it off. and show you the end. This is the back, and even that has a gorgeous design. Isn't it beautiful? This is just such a beautiful, beautiful piece. Right there. And that is it for this video. What did you guys think? What do you think of my collection? I just think it's so unique, such unique jewelry. I didn't even realize I had so much of it, and I was just going through stuff and I'm like, wow, how did this even happen? How did I collect so much? But this is basically all gifts, either from my mother-in-law or my husband, and they're beautiful. They're just beautiful, beautiful pieces. And like, you know, the first one is just so intricate, so beautiful. I just love this piece too. I think my favorites are this one, not that they're all beautiful, but this one and this one are definitely my favorites. It's just, I love them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is not bragging, nothing like that. I just wanted to share and show you my collection. So with that said, you guys have a fabulous day, and don't forget to find me on Instagram at Coffee with Nadia. Bye guys.